gems, how you doing? This is Fee, Diamond in the Rough, and I have an unboxing to do. The Artful box, which is June, July, August. Subscription box once every 3 months, which is pretty cool. So links down below for you to locate the Artful box. Very, 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 very good value for money, considering what I pay as opposed to what the product in here is worth. Yeah, so let's get into what's in here. I have already unboxed this, but I had a bit of a glitch with my stuff that I had with my unboxing video and a few other videos. Okay, so first thing I'm going to pull out is actually the Artful book, and bear with me. There we go. The Artful book. So this is something you get every box, full of lots of information, plus there is tutorials that you can follow to try and get the same images that they create. Artful does release one video a month as a tutorial, so I'll walk through those. But first things first, front of the box, the tutorials are actually able to get them with an access code, but inside every box you'll find a selection of premium tools handpicked to work perfectly together. Each edition will work closely with artists to bring you the tools they use to create their own work. So the magazine here, this is what is in this box, and I will try and put this up and take you through what is here. So the first thing that we go through is the set of 24, actually I'll take these out of the box and they're easier. It's easier if I get the box off the desk. Okay, whoops, and get the box off the desk without killing my camera. Is my camera still working? Yep. Bang, there it goes. That makes it easier. Okay, so the Artful box, what we have in here is a set of 24 watercolour half pans. So this one's a recommended retail $49.95, which is actually, and that's in pound, that's about what I pay for the whole box. So in the watercolours, I'll swatch these out. But there are the colours when it decides to focus. So I'll go through the colours. They're lemon yellow, yellow cadmium, lemon yellow, yellow, cadmium yellow, orange red, cadmium red, rose red, magenta, violet, Payne's grey, cool black, titanium white, turquoise, sea blues, cobalt blue, Prussian blue, emerald green, hooker's green, tree green, olive green, yellow ochre, umber, burnt sienna and brown. So that is the watercolours. The half pans, which is really, really cool. I have to work out how to get them out. There we go. Hang on. And that gets them out like that. Okay. So that is the watercolour half pans. Then you get an exclusive, Artful exclusive. Let's get up there for you to see that. There we go. Artful Daler Rowney 29.5mm masking fluid product dries, creating a waterproof barrier to stop paint from reaching the paper, which is pretty cool. It can be removed by peeling it off or rubbing it. It can be applied with a brush. After use, clean your brush with soapy water. Do not apply this to damp paper. Okay. I won't open that. Then we have inside this, we have a few different items. So we'll have a look. I'll pop that to the side as I pull stuff out. So there is an Artful F pencil. perfect hard pencil for putting down faint line work to begin your painting. A pipette, well, I work with resin, I know what a pipette is, filled with mixing colour. Sorry, I will say the fluid 325, pencil 95 pence, I think it is, 50 pence for the pipette. There is 5 Artful brushes. Let's work our way through what they are. Number 1, detail round for small scale work or finer details within your piece. Pointed for super fine detail. 4 and 5, which is these two. For medium scale work, the point can be used for finer detail at this scale. 14, which is a flat, use this for larger washes and blocking things out quickly. The angle, which you can definitely see an angle, the 6, designed to give you more control when creating straight lines versus a round brush. Then we have, pop those back in there, keep them nice and neat. That's a lovely box to have them in. Then we have the Artful watercolour paper, 25 sheets of A4, 330 gram acid free premium heavyweight watercolour paper. So that's really thick. Suitable for pen, pencil, pen, watercolour, ink, calligraphy and pastels. So there's 25 sheets in there. So that's a nice little thick book. And then you get the Artful blank greeting cards and envelopes. And they're just plain cards. Okay. Uncoated Fabrioni board suitable for wet and dry media, slight texture and craft envelopes. Okay, and the magazine. Over 100 pages of interviews, tutorials and inspiration. Yeah, I did. So that is what's in the box. Painting a lemur. That's how the box was made. I managed to do that for the last box. Let's see how the box is made. So it takes you through the process of drawing them. However, there is tutorials already out because I'm late with this box, getting this box out. What's the first? I can't even recall what their first tutorial is. The first tutorial actually is a pine cone, and the pine cone actually isn't here. They do, however, have further tutorials. I'm just trying to find them. One is the red panda, and sorry guys, my camera has just decided it doesn't want to work. It's been touch sensitive. There we go. And the red panda is a tutorial that they have up. And the other that I saw was the ramen. Follow Holly step by step as she creates this gorgeous bowl of ramen. So there, that one is also there. Right, so I think the first thing I'm going to do is actually swatch out the watercolours. Now this is my very first time of swatching out watercolours, and that's so we'll see how we go. We will grab one book. I'll grab one sheet out of the book. Comes out nice and easy. And pop that there, pop that there. I'll pop the book aside. Okay, so I'm going to try and go by what the book has, but I need to take these out. Right, here we go. This is what I'm going to be doing first. Let's see if I know what I'm doing. I'm going to have to keep these in some order, and I'm going to have to go grab my glasses. Okay, I have my glasses. Let's so the first one I'm going to be doing is lemon yellow, and yeah, I will swatch these out. So I'll swatch these out. Nothing's come through the back, which is fantastic. Not worked with watercolours. Well, I hardly work with any paint anyway. But what I did is see lemon yellow, cadmium. I've always called it cadmium. Don't know why. But there is all your different colours. I will say I did put the titanium white. I did mix it in with the rose red, Payne's grey, the cobalt blue, the violet and the emerald green, just to see what it would do, blending those together. But yeah, I'm looking forward to working with these colours. Yeah, really looking forward to working with these colours and having a go. So Gems, thank you for joining me.